Hey, I'd like to tell you about a cool special that many cleaners are not aware of in tmfshop.net, our store. Basically what you can get is our powerful UV light, which you can see in the daylight and find urine stains. You get the whole case, you get the charger, the holster, you get a cool lanyard which you can write your name and phone number on, and it's bright red so you won't lose it. You get a case of Unchained, and what's cool about Unchained is it breaks the urine molecule, and it also gets rid of the odor and it gets rid of the stains, and it helps you get more repeats, more referrals, and more reviews. Now we also have an odor and stain removal course at tmfacademy.com. Well, for the price of the course, $298, you can get all of this, so keep that in mind. Yes, you can buy it separately, but you can also get it all together. And what's cool about it is that we found by having the course, by having these products and having this UV light, it helps us add on to our multi-truck operation at least $300 per truck each day. So you'll recoup your costs real quickly, and it'll help take your business to the next level.